Hi, welcome to Demotivate Programmer. Sometimes we want to go to the code without using Git and GitHub tools. So we don't want to touch any type of command like git pull, git push. So there is a easy way you can use VSCode for this type of Git and GitHub communication. So here is the thing you need first. You need three things: a GitHub account and a Git installed and VS Code installed. Let's go to my repo and try to clone a repo. Okay, now open VS Code, select the repo I want to copy, copy the command, paste it on terminal. Now open code using terminal. You can just go to VS Code, that will also work. Now sign in using GitHub account. So here is the thing, you need to use GitHub account which you are going to connect between your local computer and the GitHub you want to connect. Or if you are using some sort of organization account, you can just add that account to your GitHub. That's also work fine. Okay, now connection successful. Okay, it's syncing up all my data, and now let's try to change our code. Let's add few line of code. Now save it and try to push, try to commit, and after that we will try to push. So here is the problem. You got a problem because here is the error you get from because we didn't set our username and email. So we need to set our username and email. Uh, Now let's say we don't know how to set it. So let's go to Google Genfra and try to see what we can do. Let's search it, copy the command and paste to the terminal. Again, copy the command and paste to the terminal. Now let's try to add our commit again. Okay, it's fine now. It's happening. Okay. Here is the thing, you need to click allow, so it will redirect you to the GitHub. You can Now you can log in into your account which you want to connect using VS Code, so that in future whenever you try to push or pull commit, it will be use the same account. Now let's add another commit, see if it's work on one try or not. Yeah, it's done. Now now we want to change our GitHub code, and then after that we will try to pull GitHub code from local, see if it's full or not, and everything will be done using VS Code, so don't worry. Let's open the file again and see if there is. Let's change and add few lines. Let's say this is project I throw away, and let's save commit and change. Okay, commit is showing there. Now let's go to the GitHub and see we can pull down our latest commit. As you can see there, the commit, as the source control section, you can see the latest commit is delete. It's not updated automatically, so we need to pull down. Okay, here is three dot, you can see. Click there and we should have a full option. Here is bunch of option you can try. You can add remote, you can add branches. Okay, let's click the pull option. It will pull down the branch. It will pull down the last commit we did. As you can see, the commit is updated, and here is the code, updated code. Okay, let's check the code file and go there. Okay, as you can see, this is the code. That's all for today. Thank you, everyone.